Start your first month of savings with a small emergency fund today. You can't always build your dream house, but you can save enough money. Every time you borrow money for a holiday expense, you are creating a mathematical debt that grows by 1% each month. Most people ignore this concept entirely, leading to catastrophic financial crises when unforeseen costs force them to take predatory loans. An emergency fund is a mandatory savings account reserved specifically for unforeseen expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Visualizing a single dollar sitting inside a bank vault represents a small portion of the total annual household income budget. Savings plus expenses equals total annual income. Divide the total income by 12 to find the monthly budget. If you earn $60,000, your emergency fund requirement is $50,000. 96% of Americans fail to establish a savings emergency fund. There are 4 essential components: a buffer, accessibility, liquidity, and insurance. The annual savings rates show a clear downward trend over the last 5 years in developed nations. A salary is a fixed flow, whereas an emergency fund is a static reserve that does not change. In 1980, the National Credit Council recommended establishing funds within 90 days of employment. Not saving increases debt-to-income ratios, which triggers higher interest charges on future purchases. Imagine a pie chart where one slice represents savings and another represents immediate consumption needs. The traditional rainy day plan transforms into a mathematical formula when combined with a 30-day rule. If your emergency fund covers exactly 30% of income, how much is that in real dollar terms? If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe to